Okay, even though I'm tired, I'm gonna make my child's gingerbread house with me. So come on, let's go. And don't mind my tune and stuff. It needs to be fixed, but y'all got the money? Okay then. I'm gonna make some more hot chocolate and then yeah. But that's what I'm gonna do a little bit except for hot chocolate. Hold on, let me see. Got some water in here. Add some water. Oh, I gotta get some more water. Nope. Okay. It's in the microwave, guys, and now we wait. I'm gonna let it cool for a little bit. But now it's time for me to go get my baby so she can do her gingerbread house. So I'm gonna go get her. So as you guys see, we got this stuff. This stuff which I'm gonna use next time because in the first one I didn't use this. I use this one. Icing. So I'm gonna go get her. Got her right here. I'm gonna ice this with this baby, okay? I'm gonna ice it. Okay, we're gonna ice that. And we're gonna ice it a little bit first. And we'll put it right here.